Hey kids, we're done. Let's play. It's time for Toy Surprise Adventures. Hey kids, today we're going to be playing with a really big Disney punch box.
Whoa, there's the PUNCHBOX. Ooh, here we have Mickey and Daisy Duck, Donald Duck, and Pluto. And here we have Goofy and Minnie Mouse. Awesome PUNCHBOX. Caleb, are you ready to punch the box?
Alright kids, let's get started.
Okay, who are you going to pick first?
Minnie.
Okay, let's get started with Minnie.
Whoa.
Ooh, it's a big yellow egg.
Yeah, with something inside.
Ooh, let's see.
Liquid.
Oh!
It's pink slime from the surprise egg.
Ooh, it is pink slime for the surprise egg.
Ooh, that's pretty gross.
Ooh, that is pretty gross.
Want to slime the egg?
Sure. Ah, cracked the egg right open.
Ah! It's pretty cool slime, kids.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. All right, which PUNCHBOX bowl are you gonna pick now?
I'll pick Pluto. Okay. Mashem! Paw Patrol Mashem.
Ooh, it is a Paw Patrol Mashem. Let's see who's inside.
Zuma!
Oh, it's Zuma.
Mashem.
Hey, Zuma. Careful with the pink slime.
Let's cover Zuma with the slime. Ah!
Oh dear, he's totally covered in slime.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, you can kind of see his eyes and through the slime.
Yeah. Which punch box should I pick next, kids? I'll pick Goofy.
Ooh, Goofy?
It's a Tsum Tsum mystery pack.
Ooh, it is a Disney Tsum Tsum mystery pack. I wonder who's inside.
Alright, kids, let's open up the Tsum Tsum mystery pack.
Okay, let's take a look.
It's Rapunzel. Let's open them up.
Okay.
One pieces. It's Rapunzel Tsum Tsum. Go next to the slime. Oh, she's in the slime.
Ooh, she is in the slime.
Well, it's in the slime. Which one should I pick next, kids? Donald Duck.
Ooh, let's pick Donald Duck.
What is it? It's a super squishy blob ball.
Ooh, it is a super squishy blob ball.
Let's open it up. There it is, super squishy.
Ooh, check out the colors.
This one's green. More punches left. I think I'll pick Daisy Duck.
Okay.
Egg surprise.
Ooh, blue egg.
Ah, it's Santa.
Ooh, what is that?
Santa.
Ooh, it's a Lego Santa kit?
Yep.
Awesome.
Let's put them together. Whoa, look at all those pieces. See, put them in together, kids. Hey kids, I'm Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Huh? Hey, it's a pool. Hi, Rapunzel. Hi, Zuma. I'll stand next to you guys. Last hole punch, kids. It's Mickey Mouse.
Ooh, let's see what's inside.
It's a Duplo piece, but where would I put it? Maybe I'll use some magic. Abracadabra. Whoa, it's the Mickey Mouse Duplo playset.
Ooh, it is a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Duplo playset. Ooh, with 24 pieces on the front. And there's Minnie and Mickey, and there's numbers and presents. Wow, looks like there's a big giant candle.
Let's look at the back. Whoa, it's the presents up there, and Mickey Mouse with his train, and Minnie Mouse with her presents.
I see.
Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Well, the candle on top of the number 2.
Ooh, I see it.
Let's open it up, kids. Figurines.
Ooh, look at those figurines.
Another one. Cow.
Cool, there's Minnie and Mickey.
And a cow.
Ooh, a couple cars.
Maybe some instructions.
Ooh, neat instructions.
What else? Whoa, look at it.
Oh, these are like all the candles and everything there.
Kids, it's Minnie's dress.
Oh, there it is.
And here's some of the pieces. Let's put it together, kids. Starting with the green. Let's start out these. Wow, look, balloons even too.
Ooh, there are the balloons.
Okay, let's put the train together. Let's keep on putting it together, kids. I'm not the... Oh, maybe I need to stand. Let's open me up. Let's open up Minnie Mouse. There she is. Let's get out the dress. It's cake time. Let's make the cake. Okay, kids. Frosting. Hold on. Let's finish the cake.
Wow, that looks pretty cool.
Put the presents. There it is.
Ooh, I see it.
Hey kids, we're done. Let's play. Hey guys, we're here for our birthday party. We're here for our birthday party, guys. Let me get the cake. Ta-da! Look at this cake. Hey Zuma, hey Rapunzel, I bought you a birthday cake. Hey wait, it's mine, it's mine. No, it's not your birthday, it's theirs. Hey kids, I bought you some presents. Yeah, really? Yeah, look at the cow. Don't forget to subscribe and try for more videos and more playtime.